a new repair. I've actually prepared this before with some lithium grease. The fan is seizing. This will be the second time I'm going to repair it, but if you get this, of course now it works. Well, when it's cold it squeals. So we're going to try a different oil, see if that works. There it goes. You don't want to leave it like that because it over time will damage your charger or worse. Hello, test, test. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Alright, so this is probably the second time I've had to oil this bloody thing. I'm hoping that this works. I'm using 3-in-1 oil. It's pretty old school. This stuff has been around for quite a while. It actually was designed for sewing machines. It used to be in a metal container. That's what it looks like. But this stuff works really good. It not only lubricates, it sort of has a solution in it that helps clean, keep the parts clean. When you pick it up and you smell it, you'll know what I'm talking about. But I think this will work really good on the fan because it's deep penetrating for one. I don't think using lithium on these little fans is a good idea. And I used the good stuff, so. Like I said, if you do have a fan that squeals when you first turn it on, and then as it warms up it stops, fix it. Don't leave it. Because it will burn out your charger. I'm going to try and salvage this sticker. Please, you wouldn't even know I even oiled it. It does have a small residue around it, but not much. This is definitely going to work. Squirts in here. Make sure it's soaking in this time. Okay, I'll let that sit for a minute, and then I'll wipe off the excess, and we'll be good to go. Okay, that should be enough. Just want to be able to put the sticker back in because it seals the dirt out and keeps the oil in there. It's definitely still in there, I can see it. Where's our sticker? Okay, one thing I don't have set up right now is my power bar for the bench. I'm still working on that, so we'll have to probably try it over there. This should take care of my problem. If it does only last about a week or a month, I'll repost, but I'm pretty sure, like I said, that 3-in-1 oil is really, really good. You should have some of that on the bench. think I got a plug here, but let's have a quick look anyway. Yeah, no, the plugs here are all occupied. Alright, let me take you over there and let's try it over there. Really not set up for YouTube videos yet. Just finished moving, so I just finished the bench, which, like I said, there's no power supply on it, so this hasn't been running. If it's going to squeal, it'll squeal the minute I plug it in. Put on the battery. Dead quiet. Oh. It wasn't that good even when it was brand new. Cool. Shows my batteries are in good shape. They're holding a charge really well. Anyway, like I said, if you do have a fan like that, take care of it. Try 3-in-1 oil. It does actually work better than lithium because it's probably because it penetrates and it gets through the whole shaft. Where oil, if you use lithium grease, it just sits there and spins in the end. It doesn't sink into the shaft, the sleeve. So anyway, later guys.